Greetings, Attorney Derek DeBrosse here from Munitions Law Group, munitionsgroup.com, munitionsgroup.com. Please look us up. Go ahead and click that little bell. Make sure you like us. I know it's been a while. I haven't been on air. I always apologize to you guys. I've been around for a number of years doing this, and it's never consistent. I do apologize for that, but it is always our intent to be as consistent as possible with these videos. But we're coming to you with some news that's very, very important that's coming out of the White House. And I have my law partner, Michael Truman, in the studio with me right now. He's going to be just kind of sharing a little bit of information if I have any questions. But guess what? Federal restoration, people, is back. This has been an ongoing issue for our practice for the last 17 years. Generally speaking, if you came to me and you had an issue with a federal conviction, meaning a conviction through the federal court system, absent of presidential pardon, there was really honestly no hope of getting your gun rights back. And then moreover, within the state of Ohio and many other states, there was always these weird little nuances. For instance, in Ohio, we don't take away gun rights from misdemeanor crimes of domestic violence convictions, but the federal government does. And the way case law works in Ohio, to put it shortly for you guys, not a lot we can do in Ohio. There's definitely things we've done in the past to fix that, such as set-asides, but they're very complicated, wrought with risk, expensive. But now we can go straight to the federal government and get those rights restored because Ohio doesn't take away those rights. So a lot of little nuances like that. So Trump, about 30 days ago, tasked the Attorney General, Pam Bondi, with an executive order to basically investigate the policies of the DOJ and ATF with regards to the Second Amendment. And as of at least yesterday, it was announced that the restoration process is back. And Michael, what's the citation of that under the Gun Control Act?
It's 18 U.S.C. 925C.
So there you guys have it. So if you wanted to look it up, just Google up 18 U.S.C. It means United States Code 925, subsection C as in Charlie. This law has been on the books for many years. I believe it was in 1992 that Senator Chuck Schumer of the Democrats in the Senate went ahead and started to defund the process. So Michael, that process has always been farmed out or extended to the ATF through the DOJ. Is that accurate?
Yeah, the law technically says that the applications go to the Department of Justice, the Attorney General, but the DOJ has delegated that authority to the ATF.
So the delegation of the authority was done to ATF, and the ATF's budget was always slashed on that line item that they couldn't hear these applications. We had clients that actually submitted these applications. They get returned, right? And this is years and years of consultations I've done. If you fast forward to 2013, or go back in time, I should say, to 2013 after the Sandy Hook shooting, the Toomey Manchin bill actually funded this process again at one point. But as we know, that didn't go anywhere. This is something that we've been wanting for many, many years. We can help people like this now, people with strange convictions at the state level where the state law doesn't assist, or just straight up federal convictions in federal court. So we're going to have more information coming in the following days, maybe even tomorrow, another video, so please stay tuned. I believe the applications are going to start being accepted today or tomorrow. We're looking for the forms, trying to find out what the standard is, and just making sure we fully grasp this. So if you have any questions about getting your gun rights back at the federal level, please call us. 614-326-1919 is our direct line. Look us up at munitionsgroup.com. You can go ahead and just go to our website, find us there. The nice thing about this process with our office is Ohio has a very similar process of getting your gun rights back. So we are well suited to go ahead and jump on these cases for people. So with that said, just stay tuned. We will have more information. And as always, be safe and carry on.